What you are about to see is unbelievable. A massive glowing blue and purple orb, shifting shape with a cloud-like companion following it. And toward the end, it looks like this thing actually descends to land. This is footage you need to see for yourself.
Bright light, and there's something with it. Come here and put your camera on this, bro, and you tell me this is a fucking drone. And it changes. It'll be bright-ass yellow.
On September 14th, a man witnessed something he could barely believe. A blinding light appeared in the sky, then flashed, as if something came through a portal. What he captured looks unreal. A massive glowing blue-purple orb with shifting patterns inside, turning bright yellow like the sun, trailed by a strange cloud-like companion. This object changed shape, moved without a sound, shot high into the air, then plunged straight down, as if into the ground, and vanished. Other witnesses saw this too. Watch the full video and let me know what you think.
What the fuck is that?
Why is this a drone for the airport?
No. Drones don't fly that long.
Give me a video. I have no idea what the fuck this is. It's got like a whole nother fucking object next to it, it's like a portal. Just a minute ago, I was trying to video it and it went straight down to the ground, like instantly. And it's like, it's the shape of it. See, it's pulling something behind it. What the fuck is that? Bro, what is that? And whatever that white line, I can't show you, whatever that white thing is following it. Oh, now it's moving. What the fuck is that?
I don't know what it is.
Second day in a row it's been there.
I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah, 2 days in a row now.
No, it is not. It's not moving. No, it's not a drone, bro. It's been there for over an hour. It's changing. It's lighting up like a ball, but then it turns yellow and does this bright light, and there's something with it. Come here and put your camera on this, bro, and you tell me this is a fucking drone. That ain't no fucking drone, bro. I just was watching it a minute ago, and it, in a second, went straight to the ground. And it's changing. Look how it lights up on my phone, bro. It's a ball.
What?
I've never, ever seen anything like that. And it changes. It'll be bright ass yellow. This is the craziest fucking, like if you're watching this video, this is the craziest thing I have ever seen in my entire life. There's no way it's a drone. It's been up there for over an hour, and it was here last, now watch, now it's moving. Just out of nowhere. Look, now it ain't the same, now it's yellow. Hey, is that Keith? Fucking iPhone, bro. I wish I could zoom in more. I don't know what this is. I have a crazy picture of it too. And in the picture, it's nothing I've ever seen. Like, it's not even a shape. I can't even describe to you how it is, what it is. Like, it's got like a little, like, I don't know if it's a portal or what the fuck it is. But this has been 8 minutes on just this video. I'm trying to get up higher. Like, look how the light is changing. I'm sorry for the fucking shaky camera, man. I've never seen anything like this. Like a minute ago, it was way fucking up in the sky. I mean, it was so high up, I thought it was a star, but it was too bright. I'm trying to keep the tree in the picture for like a point of reference or whatever. Oh, there it goes flashing again. Holy shit, this is crazy. Now it's going up. It's going straight up. Now it's stopped. Now it's coming down. It's going down fast. This is the same thing it did a little bit ago. And it's gone. It did this 30, 40 minutes ago, and when it did it, it was gone and then ended up all the way on the other side of the building. All right, I'll start it back. I gotta go get. I'm leaving work. I gotta go get my stuff, and I'm gonna